Welcome back to Zeno Page Builder. Today we are going to learn how to use the product review element. The product review element is only available for BigCommerce. It is a mini element which shows review star rating for a product on the page. In order to use the product review element, we need first insert a product element into the page. By default, the product element has some mini elements inside: a product image, product title, product price, and product card button. Let me insert a product review element into the product. And it looks like this. Let's walk through the options the product review element has to offer. First, we have product option that we can select the product to show. Then you can select the review rating sort. By default, it is auto, so the element will take review data from BigCommerce. Or you can manually set the reviews. Let's say I want the review count to be 10 and the average review to be 5. Let me change it to 4.5 and it looks like this. You can show or hide the review number. Adjust review number color. Star color, I want it to be yellow. And adjust the font size. Align to the left, to center, or to the right. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on mastering Zeno Page Builder.